The arguments before the High Court were closely monitored back here in Acadiana. News 15's Dracar Francois listened in to a feed of the court proceedings alongside Lafayette voters who gathered at the Clifton Chenier Center.
Lafayette's African-American leaders are keeping a close eye on the U.S. Supreme Court.
Race discrimination, really, not party discrimination.
Those leaders, along with some voters, gathering to listen to the broadcast of arguments at the Supreme Court in the case of Louisiana versus Callais. The plaintiffs argue that the state's new congressional district map should not be based on race, but defenders argue the map complies with the Federal Voting Rights Act.
With the state of Louisiana, they're bringing arguments trying to make this as if it is not about race, and that's the reason we're here. It is about race, whether it's, predominantly about race or not, but it is about race. And so just after hearing the arguments this morning.
State lawmakers adopted the current map last year that includes a second majority black congressional district. It came after a federal judge threatened to intervene if they didn't. African Americans make up a third of the state's population, and the reasoning goes should be favored in 2 of the state's 6 congressional districts in the U.S. House of Representatives. The current map led to the election of the Democrat Cleo Fields, who represents a part of Acadiana.
If the court decides to do away with the district that has been drawn, it's going to be a sad day. It's not going to be any hope for us to be represented. We are 33% of the state of Louisiana, and with that amount of representation in numbers, we will never have anyone elected to an office that represents a minority in the state of Louisiana. So it's important to keep the district as drawn lately.
In Lafayette, I'm Dracar Francois for News 15.